these letters are Roman numerals. So, what are the value of these Roman numerals? The value of I is 1. The value of V is 5. And then, if I comes before V, so we have to subtract I from V. So that will be 5 minus 1 is 4. So the value of IB is 4. If V comes before I, that will be add 5 plus 1, 6. So VI is 6. X is 10. The value of L is 50. So for X, if I comes before X, that will be 10 minus 1. So IX is 9. If X comes before I, that will be 10 plus 1, 11. That's the difference between IX and XI. How about L? If X comes before L, so we have to subtract X, that is 10, so 50 minus 10, 40. If L comes before X, that will be 50 plus 10, 60. Let's check the other Roman numerals. The value of this Roman numeral is 100. So, if X comes before C, that will be 100 minus 10. So, the value is 90. If C comes before X, that will be 100 plus 10, that is 110. The value of D is 500. So if C comes before D, so we have to subtract C, which is 100. 500 minus 100, so that will be 400. If D comes first before C, that will be 500 plus 100. The answer is 600. M is the Roman numeral for 1,000. So if we put C before M, that will be 1,000 minus 100, that is 900. If M comes first before C, that will be 1,100. Change the numbers to Roman numerals. 15, let's expand it first. 10 plus 5. 10 is X, 5 is V. So the answer is XV. 47, so we write 40 plus 7. 40, that is XL. And then 7 is 5 and 2, so 5 is V. Then 2 is 2I. So XLVII. 163, 100 plus 50. We separate 50 from 60 plus 10 plus 3. So to write them, 100 is C, 50 is L, 10 is X, 3 is I. 575. So we write 500 plus, we separate 70, so that will be 50 and 20, and then 5. 500, that is D. 50, that is L. 20, that is 2X. And 5, that is V. So DLXXV. Change Roman numerals to numerical values or numbers. LVII. L is 50. So this is 50. VII is 7. So 50 plus 7 is 57. XXIV, XX, we have 2 tens, so that is 20. Plus IV, I comes before V, so 5 minus 4 minus 1, that is 4. So the answer is 24. M is 1,000 plus D is 500 plus XL. XL is 40 and then VII is 7. So 1,547 is the final answer. 47. CXXI. Comment your answer.